Students of 9th standard, how are you all? Hope you are fine. In the first unit, first lesson, The Snake and the Mirror, I gave you some work, that is to write the summary of the story and send me through WhatsApp. But only few children have sent me the summary. So children, please do the work which is given by the teachers. Now, today I am back with the C reading section, also called as extensive reader part, a small story about a boy. The title of this story is Little Bobby. Now, who is this little Bobby? Let us know about this Bobby. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. So one day little Bobby went to his mother, and while she was making some dinner, he went into the kitchen. His birthday was coming up and thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. So why he went in near his mother? Because as his birthday was coming, he thought that it is a good time. Mother is very in a peaceful mood, so I can ask something to her. Then he went and asked, "Mom, I want a bike for my birthday." So what gift he asked? He asked a bike. Little Bobby was a bit of troublemaker. He's a troublemaker. Then he had gotten into the trouble at school and at home. So this little Bobby is not only troublemaker at home but also in the school and at home. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Then mother raised a question that, "Bobby, do you deserve a bike for your birthday?" Then little Bobby said, "Of course," thought he did. Little Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, "Go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year." Now Bobby's mother told Bobby to go to your room and reflect your behavior. Last year, whatever you did, maybe good things, bad things, whatever it is, you just think over them and how you behaved last year. Just think out about all those things. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Then she asked him to write a letter that why you deserve a bike. Then little Bobby stumped up the steps. Stumped means like going with a very putting his steps very strongly on the floor. Little Bobby stumped up the steps into his room. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. So he sat down and started writing a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. So he started writing a letter and the Jessie was noticing him what he was doing. Now he started writing a letter. Now first letter we can see here. He wrote a first letter to God that why he deserves a bike. Letter 1. He wrote, "Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year." He said, "I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one." So he demands the God that he needs a red bike. So your friend Bobby. In this way he wrote his first letter. Then he thought, Bobby knew that this wasn't true. He knew that he was not true because he is a mischievous and troublemaker boy. He knew that he is not a good boy. He had not been a very good boy this year. So he torn up the letter and started writing another letter. Let us see the second letter. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like red bike for my birthday. Thank you. So again he wrote, this is your friend. So he is making a friendship with a God by pointing here, friend, this is your friend Bobby. So again, Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. So he thought this is also not true. So he tore up the letter and started writing again. Third letter. The third letter is, Dear God, I have been an okay boy. Okay, now he said he's an okay boy. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. So, but even then, even though I am an okay boy, I would really like to have a bike. So, this was his third letter. Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. So, he thought this letter also will not going to work out. So, Bobby wrote the fourth letter. What is the fourth letter? God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please, thank you. So he wrote the fourth letter as he agreed that he was not a good boy. He didn't do any good things last year. So even then he apologized for that and he is asking God to give a bike for him for his birthday. Then next, so Bobby knew even if it was true. So Bobby knew even if it was true, the letter, even though if he agreed that, then even though it was true, the letter was not going to get him a bike. So he thought this letter definitely will not going to bring me a bike. Now Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. So he was upset, Then he came down and he asked his mother that he would like to go to church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked, as Bobby looked very sad. Oh, she thought, yes, my plan worked out. Then, just be home in time for dinner. So she asked him to be on time for dinner. Bobby's mother told him. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. So he went to the church where it is in the corner of their street. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Altar means a elevated place on the top of the elevated place where the Jesus Christ is, where the Jesus Christ or Mother Mary was there. He looked around to see if anyone was there. So he looked around here and there. He noticed, so no one was there. No one was noticing him. Bobby went down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. So slowly what he did, he picked up the Mother Mary's image. He slipped the statue under his shirt. Slipped means he put his statue under the shirt and ran out of the church, down the street, in the house, and up to his room. So he went into his room with the Mother Mary's statue. He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. So he closed his room's door and he sat with a paper and pen. Bobby began to write this letter to God. Now this is the fifth letter. God, I have kidnapped your mom. So children, see what he wrote. He kidnapped Jesus Christ's mom. If you want to see her again, send a bike. See how cruel he became, how cruel he started thinking. So he kidnapped, what he wrote? He had kidnapped Jesus Christ's mother, and if you want your mother back, please send me the bike. So this kind of troublemaker is little Bobby. Hope children you are not like this. So you all are very good children. So be good children and don't be like Bobby. Okay, we'll meet you in the next class with the grammar part. See you back.